Alright, I can't turn my handlebar all the way. Alright, first thing I notice, I can't turn my handlebar all the way. Alright, hopefully this is a good angle for the secondary camera here. It's on there pretty well with that ram mount, so we will see. Anyways, what's up guys? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Actually, we are at the end of October and it's still pretty nice. It's currently 66 degrees. And today's video is a real quick one, showing you how to get fast food on a cruiser style motorcycle. Assuming of course you didn't bring a backpack. You guys can see me, I don't have a backpack on. And also assuming that you do not have saddlebags, because if you had saddlebags you could just put it right in the saddlebag and be on your way, not have to worry about it at all. So I purposely did not bring a backpack for this video, and I brought my secondary camera. You can see it's on the gas tank here, so you guys can see my method of getting a fast food bag home when you got nothing. I've done this a couple times before. So the first tip is to go to some place that is very close to you. Taco Bell would be nice, but usually I'll get their boxes there. And their boxes, the cardboard is very slippery. The bottom side of the cardboard is very slippery, so you don't want to get something small that's really slippery. I will test this on the roundabout here. Alright, we didn't hit. Good, 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 good. So I am going to go to the Burger King inside of this Walmart here. And I will get my food and I will be right back. Good thing about riding a motorcycle is you get VIP parking. Watch this. Ah yeah. Up front parking. Alright, we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, we got our food. They gave me the small bag, which is not ideal. You kind of want the bigger bag. Let's get this set back up. And it might help if I had my key.
Pretty rare, man.
Oh yeah?
I like that.
It's a V-Star.
I like that, man.
Thank you.
How much some white walls cost you?
A lot. It was like almost 500 for both of them.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Man, that hit you fucking get off.
No, I don't know what that's from. That doesn't hit though.
I like that. That cool fucking bike, man.
Thank you.
It's rare, man.
Yeah.
Let me hear it.
Oh, okay. Hold on. There it goes. Thanks. Alright. So what you want to do is roll this up tight. Hopefully we got a good angle. And set it between yourself and the tank. And then you want to go slow. That's why we brought the slow bike. There we go. And I don't know if you guys can see, I put my legs up high for slow speed turns. It's nice to get the bigger bag, that way you can get all the weight down low. But since they give you a smaller bag, it's alright. So once you get going, you can just hold on to it like this. There's the little bit of space between yourself and the tank. That's where you want to keep the food. And then once you're outgoing, you just clutchless shift. There we go. We'll get into neutral early and coast down. Nice and easy. We can see they're stopping, so that means we're about to be green. Turning's the only thing you need to really worry about. Once you're going straight, you're good to go. Just clutchless shift to that point. Hopefully you guys can still see. You can also just hold it like this if you wanted to. But yeah, that is how you go get fast food on a cruiser style motorcycle. Assuming of course that you don't have saddlebags and you forgot to bring a backpack. I'm about to go home and enjoy my lunch. Yeah, you guys, it's not that hard. I will make another one for sport bikes. So hopefully you guys, that helps you out. And if you guys like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.